Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is your social studies book of class Mon 3. Now let's come to our first topic, myself. Today we will complete book page number 1, all about me. Students, what's your name? Write your name here. How old are you? Write your age here. Where do you live? Write your city or village name here. What is your nationality? Students, we all are Pakistani citizen. Now students, complete your introduction and also paste a picture of yourself and memorize your introduction till Monday. Don't forget to make a video of it and send us in this group. Have a nice time.